If the fine spray or the shower spray is not working very well on your hose nozzle, the problem could be dirt. We'll see if we can get close enough to have a good look here. And perhaps you can see small pieces of black or white residue that's coming out of the red area, which is the shower. And the key to fixing that is to get rid of those. We're going to take a look and see exactly how we can do that. Okay, we've got that apart. We had it set on the shower, which is related to the red area. So in the back we can see there's a hole there. And what we're going to do is try to blow that residue out with an air gun right now. We'll take a shot at it. Well, that did not work as well as expected, so we'll have to try another method. We could try pulling those pieces out. They protrude quite a distance, so if you have something like one of these things, little tweezers, we can see if we can pull them out. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3. They seem to be coming out. This one looks like a piece of string or something. Well, we pretty well got most of those that were sticking out using the tweezers, so we'll give it another shot of air here. We'll try from the back first and then from the front. That seems to have done it. Let's have a closer look at this. Those holes look pretty darn clean right now. A little hard to see with the camera perhaps, but I can see light through pretty well all of them. So that's it. We got the holes clean. It'd be a good idea while we're doing this to lubricate a little bit. Take some petroleum jelly and a small brush or a toothpick or whatever have you, and put that on here. So when we rotate this, that's going to get on all of them as we turn it around. And we also have a little seal right here, and that would be good to put some on there as well. And that helps things turn a little smoother. Now, another thing we could do, if this is a little hard to move, and I don't know if you can see this real well, but it doesn't look very clean. This particular model, it appears that this nut will not come off, so you can't get that thing out easily, but you can lubricate it. A little oil on this, penetrating oil, and work it back and forth a little bit. Tighten that up so we get more travel on the motion there. And we could even put some down in here so that'll get in that way. And that, I can feel the difference already, how much easier it is to run that trigger back and forth. So all we need to do is put that back together and that problem will be corrected. That's a much nicer spray pattern right now than we had before we did our repairs. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.